Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Enough small talk. Let's get right into pumping AMC. Well, what do you mean pumping? Define the word pumping. It's one of the most liquid stocks in the world. How can you pump something that's that liquid? It's like me trying to pump, I don't know, the spice. You can't. You literally can't. It's impossible. Let's start with a good rant. Yep. CLOV fading off. That's good. Let all these secondary and tertiary names fade off so we can focus on where the money is gonna be. Well, who knows? Today could be something special, or it could be an absolute disaster. Oh shit, I'm gonna get stopped out of TNA. That sucks. Well, looks like I don't like the fact that Russell on the weekly looks super vulnerable. Like, it looks so incredibly vulnerable. Let's see. Huh? Look at Russell in the weekly. I don't know. It may find some support, but it doesn't look healthy. Yep, AMC, get a dollar closer to 2 million. You're right. You are absolutely right, sir. Brazil is holding up really well. I may add to my BRCU if this Brazil goes sideways a few more days and then tries to break out. Pocket pivot? What do you mean pocket pivot? This thing is a flag. Where's the pocket pivot? It's in a slow flag. This is a flag. You don't need to look. Yeah, it's in a longer term weekly flag, but that's, you know, it's wide and sloppy. This is a nice flag. 4 stars. 3.5. Could have had more momentum, but it looks good. What are the coins doing? I always start my day by looking at where the coins are. Some people start the day with coffee or going to the bathroom. I start my day with looking where the coins are. I'm a simple man. Fastly, yeah. This is a big move of the lows. 45%, and now it's flagging. If I can tighten up for a few days, it would be a nice swing trading candidate. Yep. XCRS doesn't even look remotely close to Fastly. But yeah, that's a flag too. And spies also, they look very vulnerable on the weekly. We had, there was a long time ago we had a real pullback. Long time, man. I hope we don't tank out of the gate, but getting a pullback to the like 200 day, that would like just be like a normal 10% type of pullback. Would be, it's needed. It's needed, man. Things have been so tired over the past months, even though there's been some action, but everything has felt so tired. That's a problem. There's almost no juice anywhere. Except for the ones I didn't buy, like Shopify, Nvidia, SC. That one I got shaken out of. Net. Except for those. My mic volume, guys, it's low every day. You can just raise the volume on the stream. Shooting star. What the fuck is that? It looks it's just a candle. Okay. Six and a half hours to get AMC to 120. Can we do it? 6.5 hours. Kenny boy won't let it? Yeah. He probably won't. So much evil. There's so much evil out there in the world, guys. Kenny boy won't let the small guy make any money. So selfish. PRPO? No. It's a broken microcap, guys. What have I said? That when these microcaps they lose to 20, they're done. Don't even think about them. The micro nano caps, they're done. They need a new pump to get going. I drank my last Nocco. I have no Nocco. I have no Celsius. Guys, I had to drink tap water to get hydrated. I better make some fucking money today, man. Yeah, I'm basically a hobo now. It's sad. Yeah, I'm becoming Ronaldo. Fucking loser, man. I don't want to be a loser. I don't even have any Coke or anything. A Pepsi. Nothing. Nothing. I'm surviving on fumes. But you know what? What doesn't kill us makes us stronger. Alright guys, good luck. Let's beat the shit out of evil today. Let's beat the shit out of evil. Jesus Christ, the volume is high. Let's purge the evil. Oh, Futu going, nice. Come on, AMC. Let the good guys win. CLNE is super strong. Man, if Spice can't reclaim the 50-day... As I'm talking, or as I'm typing on Twitter, it's reclaiming the 50-day. Classic. Jesus Christ, so many alerts. CLNE. Damn. Envy's what? Envy's what next week? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Potentially. Alright. Scratch that tweet. BYMD. There's no such ticker. Come on, AMC. Look, it takes out this 64 bucks. It's gonna go straight to 120. That's my, you know, basic technical analysis of the stock. Beyond Meat, it's down on the day. It's inside of range. I don't see anything on it. It needs a few more days. VXX is coming back. Beely? Oh, Beely's looks great on the weekly, but oh man, so many alerts going off. Wait, AMC came back? Alf. Yeah, volatility halt. Oh, let's go AMC. 120. Today I have today's price target is 120. It's a small step in the right direction, but we gotta be realistic. We can't expect it to go to 2 million in one day. I did some math on it, and it's just, you know, it's just not gonna happen in one day. It's gonna take some time. Sounds legit. I know. I mean, you know, you gotta use a little bit of logic in the stock market. Not too much. Not too much. Wish. I wish this thing went to 20. Do you guys have any wishes? AMC? Are you trying to short AMC? Hey, do you want to blow up? Yeah, okay. You know, short away. If you hate money, sure. Go ahead. It's just breaking out of an insane range. Like, why do you want to short it? Wait until a parabolic or backside. That's your edge. Everything else is futile. Goes for any momentum stock. You don't randomly short inside of a range. Easier said than done. You know, I've done that mistake many times too. You wish to know what I think about the EH? Yeah, it's building a nice flag here. Ideal. Yeah, it looks good. VXX? No, not yet. Oh, Carvana going. Yeah. I passed on it. I thought it was gonna do like W, it's just gonna fall back into range, but nope. The ones I pass on lately are the ones that go. I love my life. Tesla, yeah. Actually getting, yeah, it's getting tight there. I'm putting some sport in the background. What's NIO doing? Yeah. Yep. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm gonna put it over the Twitch chat. I won't see you guys typing. I'm sorry. I don't have enough maybe I can block a part of TweetDeck. Maybe we can do some. Okay. I sold it. Never mind. Yeah, yeah. No, I didn't. Fuck. No, I did. Time for a new monitor. I actually have a monitor. I'm gonna sell it, or I wanted to sell it for a few months till I've been too lazy. Well, AMC, let's see. Okay, if we can reach 120 today. I think that's a conservative enough target. Like, I don't think it's too crazy. You know, I don't want to go too crazy. I want to be conservative, realistic. And anything above and beyond that, it's a positive. Damn, I'm looking at all of these moves and I'm like, yeah, look at this pocket pivot here. And this breakout. Man, I was all over it. I just didn't buy it because it was a bit too slow. And I was probably buying some other stock that stopped me out. Didn't I buy Snapchat the same day? Huh. Doku from the EP, nearing 30% move. Not bad. CLNE looks interesting too. Come on, AMC. Let's go already. I'm gonna start watching it on the 60-minute. Futu, nice. Yeah, Nicola, yep. Workhorse, yeah, Workhorse 2. Yeah, a lot of flags. AMAT, LRCX, looking bad. They better look bad now. Yeah, they're not looking as strong as... yeah, LRCX looks bad. Yep. Yep. But Soxo look, yeah, well, yeah, it's weakening. The semi-trade is, it's weakening, unfortunately. What does the Russell do? Are you? So did I sell near the lows in pre-market? Classic. What can I say? Mm-hmm. It's my superpower. Yeah. Oh, SPXL is weak again. And VXX strengthening. What? Qs are super strong. But yes, oh my god, my FAS that I shorted here. I literally shorted like 118.50 or something. 118. 40,000 shares. And it's now like $20 lower. Nice. No, I don't have it anymore. I covered it. But you would know that if you paid attention, because FAS hasn't been in my positions list for a few days. What was set up for a FAS? Trend break. Breakdown. From a long uptrend. Same thing as on SPXL. Breakdown from a long uptrend. They are defending the spies. Trying to at least. Or at least they're trying to break it down and then they're defending and then break it down and defend. Oh yeah, Roku. Yeah, Roku looks like a potential pocket pivot type of thingy. Just like Beely, similar to Beely, I don't know, maybe yesterday? Tal is having a meaner version type of a trade. This thing was getting really extended on the downside. StockTwits has their own ranking system now. Yeah, everyone's getting into the Wall Street bets tracker game. Where the hell did my charts go? There they are. Kenny Boy about to throw in the towel? He is? On which one? Kenny, the evil boy. C-Tech, looks like shit. Let's needs the 20-day to catch up at least. It needs another 2-3 days. Don't be early on that one. Don't get chopped up. Interesting. Spies are about to break down of long term, but there's some, a lot of stocks having great strength. Which is kind of interesting. ARKK name strong. Strong? Yeah. No, look, it was a shitty setup. It didn't fulfill the criteria. I've been, I spent hundreds of hours to teach you. What can I say? Use all of the scans. Is that a... Are you trolling? Why did I move SOF5 from my watch list? It's never been on my watch list. What the hell are you talking about? This thing is super untradeable for me. It's never been on my watch list. And it's not a good setup. Just because I mentioned it for 2 seconds yesterday doesn't mean it's on my watch list. SPXL defending again. Tiger? Yeah, it's building a flag here. It is. Man, there's so many charts look like exactly like Futu. Beely looks exactly the same. Roku looks exactly the same. Net did look like that. CrowdStrike did look like that. SC looked like that. Wait, there's one more. Oh yeah, Snap looks like that too. So many look the same. MU looked like that. No, not MU. AMD. Or and now it's straight up. VTNR. What's the question? Invalidate the setup on 615. What setup on 615? There was no setup there. It's flagging. It's not breaking down, which is good considering how big of a move it made. I think the 20-day needs to catch up and then it can make a big move. Either way. Yeah, I'm kicking myself. Why did I cover FAS? I can't believe it. So stupid. There's always a reason to do stupid things. I can't believe it. Looks like Kenny Boy found AMC again. Yeah, Roku looks good. I don't know what the hell you're talking about. Okay, coin. Let's see what's going on here. What's Snow doing? Oh, Snow, man. Oh, please. Hold to Monday. Don't go higher. This will be a 5-star setup on Monday. What's PLTR doing? Yeah, that's a slow one. Airbnb. I don't know. Slow one. Not a maybe a 3-star, but it's a slow one. Yeah, Beyond Meat is setting up. I think the 20-day needs to catch up before it picks direction. VXRT, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Did I have any news or something? Not sure. Six a short setup. You mean today, or are you asking me about yesterday? In that case, you should have asked, was X a short setup yesterday? I don't understand your question. Today, absolutely not. Yesterday, probably not. Not a great setup. Focus on big charts. FAS, they stay here. That was a great short setup. So long uptrend break. Same thing with like SPICE and SPXL and stuff like that today. That's great. Long uptrend breaks. Versus something, you know, random stock doing a random thing. So you mean after AMC has reclaimed EVAP, it's gonna go to 120 today? Sure. I have no objections. Hey, guys, do you want to see a bunch of douchebags? Do you want to see a bunch of douchebags? I'm gonna show you a bunch of douchebags. Where the fuck are they? Where are these people? What? There they are. I'm gonna show you a bunch of douchebags. Oh, you can't make this up. This is what I wanted to show you. Look at this. They're following no one. What a bunch of douches. And also, they're a leading global financial institution. All the keywords are there. They're a leading global financial institution. Oh man. Are there any is there any company out there that is not a leading global? It's not a global leader? Like, a serious question. Is there any company out there that's not a global leader? How can everyone be a global leader? I don't get it. Man, Kenny boy is trying to make us poor on AMC. Yeah, it's like when every author is a best-selling author. Yeah, it's true. How can every author be best-selling? Too funny. David is your global... shouldn't I be your global leader? Nvidia short a $20 million opportunity? Absolutely fucking not. Dude. You need to do the math here. You really need to do some math here. This is very unrealistic. No. It's not even extended. It's up, what, 7% from this little flag? I mean, this is not a big move. No. This is... for 20 million? Do you realize how big of a position I would have to take to make 20 million in that trade? Like, if we get a realistic pullback to that, I don't know, 20 day, that's like a 10% move. I would have to have a $200 million position in it. That's so fucking unrealistic, it's not even funny. It's not even close, man. Wake me up when it gets to, I don't know, 1,000, and I'll start looking at it. Until that... Yeah, that's what margin is for. Exactly, that's what margin is for. Oh boy. What was the alert going off? Oh, VXX, yeah. Can I catch something big? Come on, I need something big. I thought BNTX was gonna be big, but it wasn't. If it had gone up a little bit more, you know, to 300, that would have been nice, but no. Come on, can I catch a big move? I don't care what it is. Just want to catch something. Yeah, Roblox, totally. What a disappointment. I thought it was gonna go to like low mid hundreds. I really thought so. Well, technically it did go to low hundreds, but I was thinking more like 120, 150. Oh, snow looks so good for Monday. But at this point, I almost want the market to have a little bit of a mini crash or something, honestly. I just want things to reset, man. And then we'll see what holds up the best, and we get our, you know, nice opportunities later in the summer or into the fall or something. How, get us some pullback, and you know that would be so nice. Is it too much to ask for? Is it too much to ask for? Get VXX up to, I don't know, 50, 70, 100 or something. You know, nothing big, you know. Yeah, all the coins are tanking. Yeah. Ethereum taking another leg lower. Doge taking, trying to kind of break down of this range. It's been building over the past month or so, and Bitcoin is it's still inside of the range, so there's nothing there. But yeah, they're weak today. They're kind of weak right now. You know what my biggest miss in my trading career is? TVIX, but now it's delisted. It used to be like triple ETF. I was long it here. I don't know how big of the position was. I think it was maybe 15-20ish% of my total equity. And I think I even added here. And you know, I think I sold it on this day. Yeah, literally on this day, because I thought it was a parabolic. It was a perfect parabolic, 5-star. I don't remember if I shorted it too, but I know I sold it. And then this. I want to cut myself. Can I go through SPXL? It's yeah. It's a triple SPY ETF. And it's breaking a long-term trend. And you know, if we get to the 200-day, there's gonna be some money to be made. What's my prediction on the euros? I think someone is gonna win the gold. I think another country is gonna win silver, and I think I'm not sure, but I think a third country may win the bronze. That's my honest prediction. Any questions on that? Look, you don't have to be super advanced in your analysis. Usually simple stuff works the best. Trust me on that one. The simpler, the better. And you're gonna outperform 99% of experts, or the so-called experts. Brazil will win in the Euros? Yeah. Sounds legit. Why not? Soxel is... Oh, it needs to bounce here. SMH needs to bounce here. BRCU, I'm gonna light them down on it. We're getting to a point where things are kinda, you know, some things look good, some people getting a bit euphoric, you know, some breakouts have been working really well, but I think there's some danger ahead, guys. I don't know, there's something, man. Maybe I'm just making things up, but I think there's... Closer to the mic? Fuck you, closer to the mic. Put your speakers closer to your ears. Too far from the mic. You want God mode? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. It's the... You know, a lot of people have been saying the mic volume has been deteriorating lately. It's maxed out. That's the thing. I can't figure it out. I don't know why. Here, let's see. Let's see. No, wait. I'm trying to... What about now? Test. I raised the volume a little bit in the settings. Much better. Yeah. Now people are complaining it's too loud, man. I can't win it. I can't win this. There's nothing I can do. Well, CLNE didn't last long. Wish creeping back, yeah. I wish it didn't break out today. I want to trade on Monday. Oh, Soxel is gonna stop me out. I'm feeling it in my bones. Yeah, I'm gonna start using sign language. Well, what happened? What happened? Did someone... Is anything... Oh, I haven't been watching the game. Are you telling me my volume is volatile? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Yep, Soxel is gonna stop me 8. Pierce, yeah. Yeah. That's what happens, you know. You get these rallies, you know. You gotta be on the ones that are early, not the ones that are laggards. That's why I'm so afraid to buy, you know. Barely breaking this great weekly range, but it's kind of a laggard, you know. The best ones, you know, Nvidia and the SC, and they already broke out. Oh, Sweden did it go? Nice. Who? Who scored? I didn't see it. Forsberg? Okay. Pretty boy. Pretty boy scored. Wish. I wish it stayed the fuck down, but you know. Man, I think the last hour on AMC is gonna be crazy. Or maybe not the last hour, but towards the end of the day. Yeah, because the options, yeah. Okay, spies look like they wanna reclaim a bit. Lift. Yeah, it's setting up. Tried to break out yesterday. Wait. What happened to this one? CLNE. Oh, okay. Yeah, so far spies are very, very strong. But you know, a lot of things can happen. But so far they're holding the 50-day very well. Yeah, CLN is weak. Let's see if Beyond Meat can defend the lower end of the range here. Very important for it to defend here. Russell growth is holding up really well. Russell value is getting demolished. There is no value in value. Dun, 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 dun. So AMC is surfing the 10 EMA on the 60-minute now. That's good. That's very good. You had trouble entering LWLG last week. What do you mean you have trouble? It's very easy to enter stock. You click the buy button. Had a perfect high tide flag break on the 60-minute here in the 450s, 460s. I don't know. What do you mean trouble? Just hit the buy button. OnlyFans valued at 1 billion. Undervalued, I would say. I thought it would be more. Yeah, it's a global leader. Feels like shorts covering a wish. Oh man, how many times haven't we heard that? Shorts covering. It's like stocks can't go up without shorts covering. People want to rationalize a move for everything. Sometimes stocks just go up and sometimes they go down. It's as simple as that. It's not rocket science. Sometimes, you know, there's always buying and shorting and short covering on these momentum stocks at any level. Wait, SPXL weekend again? Come on. Oh, please, stop looking at level 2 on stocks like this. It's just a bunch of algos playing around. You're focusing on all the wrong things. Exactly. Market makers making markets. And retail traders making things up in their minds. Oh man. Man, Soxel is so weak. Why? FNGU is super strong. Yeah, the scammy stocks, Workhorse and Nikola, the scammy EV names, they're flagging. SOXX. Woo! So, Workhorse drone patent, that's why it's flagging. Thanks. Fubo, yeah, it's setting up for next week. I really like it. It was a little bit of a premature breakout yesterday. It wasn't a super great setup. But once the 20-day catches up and we get a tight day here, it's gonna be epic. Oh, Soxel. What's SMH doing? Oh, okay, yeah. Not looking pretty, man. Not looking pretty. This is one of my oldest positions. SPXL. It's my biggest position now. It's huge. Stop whining. The fuck? Wicked on Soxo? This is not a wick. This is a down candle. I don't think you have seen a wick before. I can produce wicks much bigger than that. Trust me on that one. That was a down candle. Soxel wasn't a loser, that was a win. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be a $10 million trade. Apparently not. Leads again? Yeah, wow. I thought it was gonna go sideways for a few days at least. Alright. I want the good flush in the indices. Right now it's kind of not happening yet. BBIG, yeah, wow, it is flagging. Another day or two, it's gonna be really good. What's Space doing? Yeah, it also needs the 20-day to catch up. Man, I need to go and get some food. Tesla. Yeah. Yeah, it feels like Tesla is gonna make a big move. Don't know where yet. It's still stuck in this range. Coursera. Yeah, it's getting there. A few more days. Did the 20-day catch up? I traded a little bit with Pareto. It's okay. I hate the platform. It's the worst platform ever. In front. It's really bad. But yeah, and the commissions are really high. Probably 10 times higher than I'm paying now. Yeah, small account edge. Exactly. Small account edge. EMC. Kenny boy in a bind again. Fucking Kenny boy. Kenny boy wants to dig into our pockets. We're not gonna let him. We can't let Kenny boy take our net worth away. We can't let that happen. Just can't let that happen. Yeah, wish, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, I think 15, 20, sure, why not? Dude, I was heavily short. I'm heavily short now. SPXL is my biggest position. And I'm long VXX. Haven't you paid attention? I'm looking at some shorts right now. But we'll see. If it's gonna stick or not. I'm seeing a mixed picture, you know. Nasdaq is super strong. The mega caps are super strong. The FNG ETF. I got stopped out of SMA or Soxol. I got stopped out of TNA, which is the Russell Triple ETF. I don't know. It's but on the other hand, I'm seeing some stocks. You know, some stocks are really strong, like Roku, Beely, SC, Nvidia, all of these things. Oh, where are these alerts coming from? Workhorse? Okay. Man, Doku from the EP. Not bad. Yeah, I know. I passed on it because it's so slow. But on the weekly, it looked 4.5 star, man. 4.5 stars. Is live overextended? Are you kidding me? It's building a flag. What do you mean overextended? It's actually a pretty decent... It's gonna be a really good setup in 2-3 days. That's actually, you know, about to be a really good setup. Overextended my ass. It's been going sideways for like 3 weeks. 2 weeks. What do you mean overextended? This thing had several good setups along the way. This was a pretty decent one. And then it had this one. Was okay, I guess. Yeah. SWBI? Yeah, maybe an EP? I don't know. Oh man, I need food, and I can't leave the computer because there are some things that are really close to triggering. I'm watching this VXX. If it takes out, I mean, if we get a pullback in the spice, like a real pullback down to the, I don't know, 100, 150, 200 would be ideal scenario. Undercut of the 200, get, you know, high 300 area would be nice if we got to. I mean, this VXX could go to, I don't know, 50? 100? What's Wish doing? I haven't looked at it. Yeah. Maybe I should have bought more shares. Man, I should have bought like 1 million shares. Fuck, didn't I do that? I didn't. What? I'm already in VXX. What are you talking about? And I'm gonna add when it takes out the highs of the day. I'm already in VXX. I've been in it for like an hour. I mean, the spies are already breaking below the 50 day. If you get followed through selling, I just laid out the whole trade thesis like 1 minute ago. CRCT, yeah, looks pretty decent. Yeah, big move, recent IPO, pulled back, found support on rising 20. And now it's kind of breaking the range. Yeah, not bad at all. It's pretty good. Oh, let's see. Oh yeah, never mind. They're weak. Mosi. Yeah, this thing needs some more time. Yeah, it needs to tighten up. Come on, spies. Fill gap? What gap? There's no gap. Oh, you mean between the moving averages? Yeah. I mean, if you look at the, like, if you zoom out a little bit, this thing is, you know, due for a pullback. If it can't reclaim the 50, man, we could see some interesting price action going forward. Yeah, EXPI, yeah, not bad. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. It's a really good setup. It's a really good setup. Yeah. Also remember, the only moving average you guys need are the 10, 20, 50. You don't need the 100, 150. You know, this is 5-star, man. This is 5-star. Oh, I mean, this is beautiful. Textbook. This is it's really is beautiful. Okay, 4.5 stars. Really good. Do I focus on Nasdaq? Dude, whatever has a good setup, who cares? Nasdaq, NYSE, Beijing, Hong Kong, who cares? Who cares? What we care about is good setups. Leaning power Tower of Pisa. AMC is so slow. It's almost like a multi-billion-dollar hedge fund is trying to hold it down. What a fucking scam. It's rigged, man. Hey, is the game still on? Did Sweden win? It's still on, or it's not? Oh, it's over. Okay, Sweden won. Okay. I don't give a shit. But I have some life experience under my belt now, and I realized if you're not kind of tuned in to the big sport events, you gonna people gonna look weird at you. They're like, are you a moron? Dude, guys, I'd rather watch Siri trade on a 1 minute chart than watch a sporting event. Yeah, I saw that live. Headbutt by Zidane, the GOAT. Why is VXX lagging? I don't like it. Come on, VXX, get your shit together. Close at 40. I want to close at 40. Oh yeah, SMH going lower now, yeah. You know what I think? I think a lot of like people and hedge funds and whatnot, they're like, okay, things are pulling in, speculation money is leaving, and they're shorting AMC. Little do they know what's coming. They're all gonna be broke in a few weeks' time. Yeah, that's true. Everyone is freeing up their buying power to go long AMC. Hedges don't have stops, yep. How come... Okay, let's look at these two. Let's see if you can figure it out. I've gone through it before. They're the same price, right? They're pretty much exactly the same price, but there's one thing that's different. Actually, two things. No, wait, what? Oh, you know what? That's a good question. Oh, that's why I ignored UVXY before, because it was such a low price stop. But now that they're the same price and UVXY has an 8, you know what? That's a good question. I should be playing UVXY. Because UVXY had a reverse split like a month ago. Because before I ignored UVXY because it was like a $3 stock or something. Or you know, it was $3. Ooh, dude. Dude. That's a good question. Why am I more on trading VXX when I can trade UVXY? Because UVXY has a higher ADR. Very good observation. That's a very good question. I love getting my mind fucked. I was gonna be a super asshole. I'm like, hey, you figure it out yourself. And I was proven wrong on live stream. Nothing more humbling than that. I know. Why am I wasting my precious time with VXX when UVXY has... What's the difference? Yeah, big difference. 3.9, you know, that's almost 50% higher ADR, which means if let's say if VXX goes up 100%, UVXY will go up like 150%. You know, so you want to be in the highest ADR one, unless there are no like liquidity restrictions. Yeah, exactly. UXY is 1.5 times VXX. That's what I said, but I said it with more words. Oh, thanks for the great information. I had no idea. I had I had no idea UVXY is programmed to go towards 0. I had no idea. I thought it was just a coincidence it reverse splits 1 to 5, 1 to 10 every year. I thought it was a coincidence. So you're saying I should sell my long-term hold in VXX? Damn, here was buying and trying to hold it for the long term. Well, a lot of people do, but there's one little problem with these things, and you'll figure it out if you zoom out a little bit on, like, for example, UVXY and etc. And that's sometimes, look at Twix for example, sometimes every couple years they double, triple inside of a few days. Okay? They double, triple inside of a few days. That's the problem. And last year was extreme. TwixF went up 2000% in a month. That's the problem. You know? So let's say you short it here. I mean, is it gonna be lower in 6 months or a year? Probably, yeah. But, you know, this thing could go to 100 in the meantime. That's the thing. I know, I'm sorry I roasted you. Thank you for looking out for me. Thank you. I'm sorry. I'm a sincere apology to everyone I've ever roasted. Except David. Fuck David. But everyone else, a sincere apology. It was not meant as financial advice. Everything I say and do is for educational purpose. For entertainment purposes only. What? Michael Jordan? Did Michael Jordan roast people? No, no, not education, informational and entertainment purposes only. You're entertained? Are you entertained? Oh, are you not entertained? I mean, that was the quote. I don't think this is a great time to look for breakout, guys. I don't like what's going on. Unless we get a big save in the close. I mean, things are looking... I see a lot of things breaking down, guys. I don't like this at all. I don't necessarily think going heavily on breakouts here is a good move. Just saying. No, AMC, I'm not gonna sell. Unless, like, they really tank it into the close. If Kenny Boy, you know, takes over the whole trade. It needs to hold, like, the 10 and 20 EMAs on the 60. You know. You can always buy higher. But again, I think late day is gonna be interesting. I think it's gonna be a big move here. I hope it's gonna be the upside. But if Kenny Boy brings his, you know, if Kenny Boy goes on margin, you know, he could push it down to 50. It's gonna wipe us small guys out. He's gonna go for the kill. He's gonna go for the throat. Gonna go for the damn throat. Of course. I'm a small guy at heart. What can I say? I'm a small guy at heart. I'm a simple guy. Like, guys, can you guess what I'm wearing right now? Kenny Boy, he's probably wearing a suit worth like 100k. I'm wearing socks and underwear. There you go. I've been trading in my underwear for the past like week. Because, you know, summer is here. Not because I'm a pervert. Because summer is here and it's, you know, hot. For once. For once it's hot. Right. AM said they usually tank it on Friday as they sell options premium. And then they need to close it so that those high open interest... who are they? And why are they so mean? They are so mean, man. Why does everyone have to be so mean? AMC showing relative strength. Come on. As soon as these volatility instruments can go a bit higher, since I don't use hard stops anymore. Guys, I haven't used hard stops in a few weeks. It's pretty amazing. The problem is I can't leave the computer. Or I have to bring my laptop everywhere. You know, even if I go to the bathroom, I have to bring my laptop. In case something goes off. Nah, not really that bad, but I haven't wicked anything in a bad way in a while. People were whining about this wick on, or this candle on SOXL. Was this me selling? Yes. A majority of the volume here was me, but it's not a big candle. It's a tiny wick, man. If I had market ordered this shit, it would have gone down here. It would have gone down another, I don't know, 50 cents. Or maybe not 50, but 20, 30 easily. No, I bring my laptop and then I go do whatever I want. I don't sit in my office, that's for losers. Sitting in your office all day? That's what 9-to-5ers do. Fuck that. I use this advanced order technique called limit orders. I'm still trying to get used to them. I've used market orders like my whole life, and now I have to, you know, get used to limit orders. What's the volume on this volatility instruments? QfbbWss78AI. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not that does it matter. Price section matters much more on the... Oh, it's just below the 20. Oh, they're gonna get rejected here. No, they won't. They're gonna go to the moon. Okay. Yeah, I remember the VXX trade. It was right here, right? Yeah, I remember. I think I bought it like here. Where did I add? Did I add opening range highs on this day? Yeah, and it made a very decent move, but you know, nothing. I was looking for like, I don't know, 60s, 70s. I mean, the thing is, these things, they can make big moves. That's the point I'm trying to make. BAC, okay. I mean, okay. It's just a random stock. I mean, it's just a random financial stock. FAS bounce of the 100. Yeah, maybe financial gonna find some support here. Not sure. We'll see. Now it looks like things are bouncing again. So much chop. Come on. I want things to make linear moves. Man, this constant whine about the 3-month limit to be able to chat on the stream. It's like, how is it gonna change your life? Shut the fuck up, do some studying, and get a winner mentality. Stop whining, seriously, I'm so tired of it. There's a reason for it. And it's the best thing, it's a great thing. The chat is much more civilized now. And once people actually are able to chat, they're much more educated. We weeded out all the people that they weren't committed, and mostly the committed people are left. Yes, there are some trolls and uncommitted people, but you weed out all the people not gonna make it anyways. I'm not gonna do a struggling trader today, I'm too hungry. Way too hungry. Yeah, the waste of times, they're gonna be gone after 3 months, or before the 3 months is over, the waste of time are gonna be gone. The chat is mostly jokes, not stock related. Well, right now it's midday. There's only so much you can talk about stocks. What, do you think I would be talking more about stocks if we didn't have the 3-month limit? Do you realize, like guys, some of you need to get your shit together, guys. Do you realize how much spam and trolling and just useless commentary there would be in the chat? And if we removed the slow mode, like it would be non-stop. No one would get any. It would be turning into one of these stupid like warrior trading type of communities. It's the chat just moves in a really fast, and no one gets any value out of it. There's a bunch of people want to get attention that are putting a bunch of nonsense in there. Trust me on this one. We've been there. Yeah, it's gonna stay like this. The best thing ever. Slow mode longer? I think 2 minutes is enough. Like guys, like think about like it's now, like people are getting time outed. Like just today, like probably 20-30 people have gotten a timeout because they broke the chat rules. And that's with the 3-month, limit. And with slow mode on. Now imagine, just imagine. Well, you're getting the point now. You're getting the point now. Two minutes feels like an eternity when you're getting roasted. Yeah, but that's also a good thing, because the thing is, like, people are so used to post some nonsense, like they write 2 words, then they push enter, in the middle of the sentence, and then they're gonna write 2 words again, like people chat in general. This way forces people to actually think, use their brain cells. Look, I have this one shot. I better make it count, okay? I better write an educated sentence that is really clear on what I'm saying. There leaves no doubt or confusion, okay? It overall improves the quality of the chat. SLS. Yeah, I see a setup. It looks really, really good. This is a really beautiful flag. AHT, didn't I have this on my watch list today? Yeah, I did. I took it off. It's fading. Maybe for next week. We'll see. Wait, were you the one who wrote excess highs? Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to roast you. I just roasted the concept of excess highs. Look, it's content, okay? And I love the way you know, and this is, you know, this is a great mentality. You're not bitching, whining, moaning about it. You're just taking it chill. I love it. That's winner's mentality right there. Why your mods kicked you? I mean, muted you? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, guys, I think a lot of the people complaining about not being able to chat, those are the people that we have this 3-month rule, okay? Some people they just have to be heard all the time. They can't just sit back and chill and use their ears and think. They just have to put, you know, some people, you know the people who think by talking, like they never shut the fuck up. You know, it's the same type of people, but instead of talking, they're typing. They're chatting all the time. That's the reason we have this rule. Those people. You know who you are. No, I'm not gonna do struggling trader. I just want to lead the computer. I want these, you know, I mean this SPXL, like either, you know, go back to lows of the day or just stop me out. Yeah, Kenny Boy is trying to he's trying to distract us. Yeah, Fubo, I mean, I see some things are fading, but also some things are holding up really well, and I don't know what to do with that. I don't know. Maybe we have a big reversal later this day in the, like, Russell and the semiconductors, and well, the semiconductor index actually doesn't look bad. It's actually holding the rising 20-day for now. And you know, Nasdaq is really, but you know, if the spice can reverse and just, you know, get above the 50-day again, we'll see. Looks like your rotation valued growth. Yeah, we had it for a few sessions now. The best way to see it has been in IWN versus IWO. IWN had a big breakdown yesterday, and IWO, which has been going sideways. Yeah, yeah, we saw the metals yesterday. You know, big breakdowns across the, you know, in a lot of them. Well, FCX actually was weak before that, but yeah. Yeah, exactly. We need a flush, but for now it's not happening yet. It could happen or it couldn't happen, and I don't know. Or we could go straight up, go into parabolic mode. You know what the funny thing about Soxel is? If it reclaims her, builds a hammer, closes in the 38s or something like that, it could be a setup for Monday. I'm gonna buy it right back. Spread trade? Why would I go long IWM and QQQ? Oh. My Futo is holding up really well. AMC is holding up really well. It looks like it wants to go to the moon. But that's just my humble opinion. I'm just just a regular guy trying to make a living. Yeah, but that's not new. That's old news. We've known that for many months now. There's been a chip shortage for, a long time now. It's not news. It's not new news. It's old news. That's why I was so bullish on the semiconductors. Yeah, I'm just a regular former mall cop. I mean... Never. People never ask me for money. I don't know, it may be a potato shortage. There has been some drought. I don't know why they can't produce that many chips anymore. Let's see. I don't know, why is there a shortage? Supply issues. Supply issues. Yeah, there's apparently supply issues in the chip sector. Yeah. The chip shortage isn't ending anytime soon. Here, potato chip shortage. Wait, what kind of chips were we talking about? What kind of chips were we talking about? What is a semiconductor? Yeah, fish and chips. Yeah, it's the British, man. Those fat fucks. They can't get enough of their fish and chips. Keeps your pockets filled. Oh yeah. Looks like Kenny Boy's in control of AMC again. I don't like that. Can something happen already? You made hundreds trading my strategy? Nice. It's not my strategy, it's what works in the markets. It's just a way of making money in the markets. Look, I want everyone to make hundreds. Yeah, Kenny and his algos. You know what? The algos don't need to eat lunch. CLNE is strengthening again. Why can't I leave the computer? Why don't I just shut everything down and open it up on my laptop? All I have to do is close TC2000. Maybe I'm just lazy. Oh, it's the heat. That's what's making me lazy. Once you park your ass in a comfortable chair, oh man, it's so hard to get up when it's so hot in outside. Well, inside and outside. Alright guys, thanks for joining this week. See you on Monday, I guess, right? Market should be open, right? Yeah. Right. Have a great weekend. See ya. See you on Monday.